Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you from start to finish how I installed this glueless wig from Luvme Hair. This is their curly mixed brown compact frontal lace wig. This bob is less than $150 if you use my coupon code Shayna23, and it's the perfect summer wig. From the length to the color, it's just pure perfection. Now, what is a compact wig, you may ask? Girl, I didn't know either, but you know what I did? Like any good Samaritan would do, Googled it. Basically, to shorten this because it's a lot to read, it means that you don't have as much parting space on the side, long story short, even though that's not really what it says here. So this is the wig straight out of the box. I did wash it and bleach the knot. You definitely don't have to bleach the knots, but I like seeing what bleach does to hair for you guys, you know, to know whether or not you want to go the bleach route. And all it really did was just make the knots a lighter blonde. Honestly, I may have over bleached them, but it still looked good nonetheless. Y'all know I love me a good throw on and go wig, but you know, somebody brought it to my attention that the amount of work that I do for these wigs does not constitute a throw on and go, all right? And I'm guilty because I want to wear my wigs for like a few days. When I put my wig on, it's on for life. Forever. So I have this really cute summer wig from, ooh, She's cute. She's cute when she's together. Am I the only one that be turning other spray bottles into water bottles? Cause girl, why would I waste that? Now she's getting a little bit of something. The side stop like right here. So there's really not much on the side that you can do. I'm really going to try to throw her on. I'm not gonna do a bald cap. Let's just get right into her. I know I'm babbling like a babbling brook, but let's get into it. To get these curls popping, I just sprayed the hair with a bunch of water, then brushed it using a paddle brush. This hair gets really big when it's dry, and I really like the wet look, so I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I sprayed so much water on this hair throughout the video. Don't judge me, okay? The wig is pre-plucked, but I had to go in and pluck some more. I've really been practicing my plucking, and I think I've gotten a lot better than before. First off, I sectioned the hair in the front and plucked behind the hairline to thin it down a bit. Then I alternate between plucking the actual hairline and behind the hairline. To make sure I'm getting the most accurate depiction of what the hairline is, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to flatten the hair down. And now you can see what's really up, okay? This is the plucking side by side. The left is what I plucked and the right is what was pre-plucked. And this is just how much hair I plucked out. It's quite a lot, honestly. And here is the hair after I finished plucking both sides. Ooh, don't mind this wig, y'all. Oh, I had a wig cap under here. That wig served me very well these past few weeks. I'm gonna take my edge booster. You know, the girls said they want throw on and go, so I'm gonna do throw on and go. You know, if I want to change it, I'll change it. It's the perks of being able to do your own hair. We're throwing on and going. That's it. Do y'all like it when I talk better through my videos, or do y'all like when I do voiceovers, or like from other influencers? Like, what do y'all like? What do y'all? Because I personally, like, I be skipping through. I'm a YouTuber and I be skipping through people's videos. Like, bro, be quiet. But there's some people that thoroughly enjoy like listening to people talk. I'm not that person. I don't really like vlogs so much. I like doing them, but generally, y'all already know. Well, y'all don't know, but I'm not a talkative person. Like, I really just I like to be quiet. All right, I'm just gonna put her on just to see what happens. Oh, she's snug. Okay, she's cute. She's a little cutie. I like her. Now it's time to cut the lace, and my favorite thing to use is pinking shears. I'll link them down below. I got them from Amazon, and they literally make my lace lay so perfectly because we get that jagged cut every time. And these ones are like a zigzaggy version. I really put them in every freaking video, y'all. Since I got them, they've been in every video, and my wigs have been laid ever since. Like, there we go. Yeah, that's what we want. We want that jagged, raggedy cut, okay? I no longer cut my wigs on my head because I was just cutting myself up with the little razor, I just can't. I can't. And then once we melt it, it's gonna be chef's kiss. I know we said we're doing glueless, but I gotta put a little something on there, okay? Put a little something. Just a little something, okay? And we're back with some more water because, you know, this hair was drying up quicker than a drop of rain in the Sahara Desert, y'all. To melt the lace, I'm using my Lotta Body mousse, and that is it, you guys. I didn't need anything else, and literally this already looks like my skin. Plus, it's completely glueless, which is the best part about this wig. Now, I brushed this wig out when it was completely dry, and this is how big it got. Obviously, like, minus the curls. This is like, it looks like it's straight at this point. Definitely not keeping it like this, but, you know, it tried to be cute. Tried to have a moment. But now it's time for more water. And don't mind my little cape. I actually really hate getting water on my skin or my clothes. And I was, like, dressed up for the video. So I was just like, I don't want to be soaking wet. And that's exactly what this hair needs to be for it to get to the curls that I like. So don't mind my little cape. Y'all might be seeing a little bit more often throughout the video because I forgot I had it. I just found it and I'm like so geeked that I found it. And here I'm just showing you all that this wig is still glueless, and look at these curls. They look so bomb, and the wet look is just so flattering on me. I did end up spraying a little holding spray to the front just because I was wearing this out to a little party and I wanted it to be even more melted and even more secure. Now, if you want, you can do a side part, which I'm showing you here. I did try to make it like a C part just because this is a compact lace. The majority of the parting space is in the middle, but you know, we're gonna try and make it work. I plucked the part to make it look even more natural and then use some water to define it. And then to make the part even more crisp, I'm using some foundation and putting that right on the part. And that's all she wrote. Now, it's not very deep, but like I said, it's very doable. Here are the curls up close and personal. They're so juicy, so bouncy, and this color, chef's mother freaking kiss, y'all. Now, if you wanted to add a little something extra, you can throw in a little braid, a regular one, a fishtail one. I feel like I've been seeing the fishtail one more often than not, but like I said, I was going out and I was kind of rushing in this video. So I did a regular braid because that's quick, that's easy, and I obviously know how to regular braid. Last little style you can do on this hair is a half up, half down. And again, there's not that much parting, especially in the back, but you can get a little baby bun out of it. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. A little trick I like to do when doing half up, half down styles is to leave some hair out in the front, whether that's a little bang, whether that's two little pieces. I genuinely feel like it makes the wig look less wiggy, especially when you don't do baby hairs. Now, since this wig is not glued down, you want to make sure to use a wig band when you're putting your hair up just to make sure that it stays in place. And I wasn't getting the right look by actually doing a little bun, so I used a claw clip to really get some volume there, and this is what you end up with. I do wish there was more parting space on the side so I could really put it up, but you know, since it's glueless, you know, putting it up in general just probably isn't a good idea. She's cute. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling the half up, half down. I do wish the sides were a little, like there was a little more space, but I think we got it together. I think it's cute. I think it's giving. I don't know. Y'all tell me if it's not. I feel like it looks like my actual hair, and not because like I laid lace or whatever, but just because like the length, like this little peach fuzz that I got going on the top. I think it's cute. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna leave the link to this wig in the description box below, as well as my coupon code for y'all to get some money off, because you know we can use a little money off. And y'all know it's a 13x6 compact lace, so it's giving affordable. It's giving budget friendly, all right? So make sure y'all go and grab y'all about 10 of these, okay? Because this is about to be my new summer wig. Y'all see, it didn't take me no time to put her on. I didn't do no late, no nut. I just sprayed some gel and called it a day. That's what we want. Throw on and go successful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Make sure to thumbs this video up if you like what you see. Leave some comments down below. Would y'all rock this wig? Come on now. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. And I feel like this little peach fuzz that I have on top of my head makes it look like it's really my hair. Like, yeah. I tried to put it in the half up, half down, but it's short. But it's short, so it's Giving peach fuzz, but I love it. I love it, y'all. I really do. I really love it. Share this video with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys. Like I said, the link is in my description box. Coupon code ready. We need some new rates for the summer, all right? And she is, what did I say at the beginning of this video? Throw on and go approved, okay? There is not, I could literally spray some water and this will come off, all right? We love this wig. We love her. She's great. She's great for the summer. We love the color. She's just giving everything that we need to give, okay? And that's just that on that, and that on period. Thank you guys for watching as usual, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.